Halina sa matatayog na kabundukan, mga natatanging tanawin at likas na angging ganda na matatanaw magmula sa Himpapawid kung saan, for as low as 100 pesos entrance fee, ma-enjoy mo na ang ganda ng dagat dito sa Real, Quezon. Sa Himpapawid pa lang makikita mo na ang malakas na alon ng dagat, kaya sa mahihilig mag-surfing staycation, best spot ang lugar na ito. Welcome to Paninap Beach Camp 1 of Barangay Tignuan, Real, Quezon. Para sa nais mag-beach camping at overnight stay, 300 pesos if may dalang tent, 500 pesos naman kung magre-rent ng tent. Day tour cottage worth 2K and 2.5 naman para sa overnight stay. For Triangle Cottage House, day tour is 1,000 and for the overnight is 1,500. Overall, Paninap Beach Camp 1, lahat ng staff ay very hospitable and generous. Accidentally, nasiraan ako ng motor at napunta ako dito. The management allows me to overstay ang motorsiklo ko ng 2 weeks mahigit, until na maayos ko ang problems without any extra charge. Kaya for family bonding, anniversary, or any occasion, isama mo na sa bucket list travel plan mo ang Paninap Beach Camp 1 of Tignuan, Real, Quezon.
You may try to take me out of my father's hands, but nothing here can shake me while I am where I am. Sell me.
Hoping you guys enjoyed watching my travel venture moments. I, Venture TV, give you my thanks for supporting my channel by your subscribing, follow, like, and share for me to continue creating more memorable and enjoyable video creation. Thanks for watching and support. Ciao!
Nothing you possess is greater than what's in me. Highly favored, highly blessed. Build your walls to stop me and watch them as they fall. I will rise to victory. I'm carried by the Lord. Lie about my nature, turn the blame on me.
Thanks for watching.